Hello, good evening, this is Maddie, and today I'm gonna make a new recipe. I picked it from the Italian cookidoo. It's called Zuppa di Farro e Fagioli. I really want to try this, so let's go right away. Let's start, and here as usual I have my list of ingredients, and now I'm gonna add everything together. So onion, carrots, 1 garlic clove, sage, rosemary, and here we are. That's it. Can you guys see? Perfect. And now we're gonna put the lid, the measuring cup, and speed 7. Perfect. See what happened? Let's see what happened. As usual, we'll remove it. Oh, here it is. I hope you guys can see it. So in a couple of seconds, in only a few seconds, we have perfectly chopped carrots. Okay, perfect. I don't want to tap on that. Okay. Next, we're gonna add some olive oil. Okay. Now this recipe is in gram. Here, okay. Now they want us to add a little bit of pancetta, but I will not add it because my son is vegetarian, so I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, no big deal. We're gonna make it vegetarian. Perfect. And now speed 1 for 5 minutes. Hello, here we're back. 5 minutes went by. Let's see what happened. Ooh, okay, we saute the onion and the herbs. And now next step, it would be to add some water, and that's what we're gonna do. So 700 grams of water. Ooh, a little bit extra, but we're not too worried about. A teaspoon of salt. Really looks beautiful. Teaspoon of salt. And here it is, the farro. I'm saying Italian. I guess it's called the spelt in English, but I'm not really sure. So back again, lead measuring cup, and speed, stirring speed, which is not a number, just the stirring speed. 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes. Bye. Okay, here we are. We're back. This is Maddie again, and 30 minutes went by. So let's look inside. It looks amazing. You can see the steam coming out, and see what's the next step. We're gonna add 120 grams of cannellini, which are those are from a can, so that makes my life a little easier. And we're gonna add another kind of beans, the borlotti, fagioli borlotti beans, also Italian. Those are both from cans. They've been just rinsed. And back again here. We are going, here's our measuring cup. We're going to cook at a stirring speed for another 10 minutes. So sorry to say that we're gonna stop the video one more time. Okay, here back, and let's see the result. Okay, perfect. This is ready, so we're gonna transfer, and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna transfer in a zuppiera, and it looks amazing to me. And soon we're gonna taste it. Alright, I'll let you see it. Let me move this one over here. And this beautiful, healthy soup is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, follow me on YouTube.